Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, almost the weekend. I'm on my way to my hair appointment. Finally, I was able to get an appointment booked with my hairstylist because she is crazy packed and never has time, but I finally got in and I am on the way there now. I'm going to get a cut and a style because, as you guys can see, I need it. I am looking a tad bit rough. Alright, I am done with my hair appointment. Look how good it looks. Like, she really just bombs it every time. Like, my hair feels amazing. I will leave my hairstylist's information in the description box below. So if you guys live where I live, you guys can go ahead and get your hair done because she really just, like, if you guys seen it before, then you know how bad my hair looked like. I don't know if you guys can see the back of it, but it feels so light and she just knows like exactly what she's doing and it helps my hair, you know, like she just does her job well and I appreciate her very much because my hair feels amazing. So that is that done. I am very happy. Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday. I am on the way to run some errands like every Saturday. I just pumped some gas and then I'm probably gonna go to the car wash. But my plan today is to reorganize my cleaning closet, and what that is just a closet filled with all my cleaning supplies. Right now it just looks a hot mess, and I saw some ideas off Pinterest that I really like. So I'm going to try to like create that type of look. I think I'm going to try to get that stuff from like Walmart, probably the dollar store too, maybe Marshalls or Ross. I haven't like decided yet, but first I need to go to the car wash because my car is filled with pollen dirt. It looks quite nasty, and then probably get some coffee because y'all know me. So I just left the dollar store and I really couldn't find anything. So I'm at Aldi's right now and I'm talking pretty low because like I hate when people stare at me while I'm filming. It smells like old people. But so far I have found nothing. But like I'm just like looking, you know, I see like bathrobes and stuff, but nothing that I really need. So I just left the Dollar Tree and Ollie's and I found absolutely nothing. What I did get from the Dollar Tree, I got these 2 cups. They were $1, duh. I feel like I can like make something from that. I could like stuff it with some good stuff because Mother's Day is coming up, so I might give that away to somebody. And then I also found like this door hanger, which is probably stuck. I found like this door hanger. I don't know if I could like put like a broom or my Swiffer on there, but we can try. It was $1, so you know. But probably the next store I'll probably stop by is either Walmart. I'm sweating, y'all. I'm so sorry. Walmart, Ross, or Marshalls. I went to Ross and Marshalls last night, but I was not in the like right mind to like find things that I actually need. So I'm gonna have to go back there and look again. But it's already 1 o'clock and I haven't even like started cleaning or doing anything that I actually need to do. So hopefully I can find some stuff at like the next couple stores because I'm hot. Alright, so this is what my cleaning closet looks like currently. As you can see, it's like a mess. I've had these drawers set for years and it actually doesn't even like shut anymore, so it's just stuck. And it's actually kind of dirty, I'm very sorry. But then I have this like milk crate full of just stuff that is like very unorganized, dog food, an iron that I never use, a hanger that has no clothes on it, and paper towels and toilet tissue. And then from the store, I got this from Walmart. As you can see, it is a shoe organizer. And then here is basically like a towel type hanger. And then from the dollar store, I showed you guys before, but it's like a hook. But my goal is to take all this stuff that's in this closet and redo it, like to make it look better, because right now it's a mess and it's hard to like find the right stuff that I need. And as I said earlier, like these drawers are just like completely broken and this looks a hot mess. Alright, and this is after. So the hanger that I bought from the dollar store, I put my Swiffer and my room on. For this like clothes hanger, I put dog food up top, paper towels, toilet paper all the way down, and then I have my sifter pads right here. And in the shoe hanger, so up top I have like my dusters or whatever this is called, my light bulbs, and some spongy pads, and then like toilet cleaner. So it all fits inside the shoe pockets, which is great because it looks nice and it all fit in here. And this just looks way better than it did before. As you all can see, it was just like a mess and it is super cluttered. And now I can like see if there's like a bug in here because before I couldn't really see. And I like this way better. I have my batteries down here, some thumbtacks, I don't know, and like my waxes, wipes, scrubber, dog stuff, all my sprayers. I really like this, so shout out to Pinterest for all the great ideas that I find. Like what else I got from the store while I was out. So I was thinking, since Mother's Day is like right around the corner, I think it's like next week, I think. I got this from Marshall's. It comes in like a 3 set. It was on sale for $10. And then I showed you guys this before, this from the dollar store. It was only $1. I thought they were just so adorable. Some waxes, because who doesn't like waxes? I'm not even sure if this is called like waxes, but it's like wax cubes. Look at that. And then these like notepads are from Marshall's as well. I thought they were just so adorable. They were $4 or $3. And this one just says, "This mom needs another coffee," and this one says "blessed." And I just think like a necessity kit is like the best gift that someone could ever give you, because who just wants like junk? Because I don't. I have a few people in mind that I would gift this to, and I thought this was a great idea. I'll probably like just stuff the cups with something else and also put something right here so it just looks full and nice. But this was like a very like nice gift set, and it was very cheap. So I said before, like dollar store, Marshalls, and also from like Walmart. So I think, you know, if you guys need like a gift set idea for Mother's Day, this is a good idea. And also Father's Day is coming up in June, I believe, and I'm sure dads like love this stuff too. Just have like a more manly type stuff in here. But yeah, so this is my gift set so far. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't watched my last ones, the link will be in the description box below. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for weekly videos.